Telegram notification sound not working. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your Telegram notification sound if it's not working. So let's go ahead and open our Telegram. When you open your Telegram, guys, navigate to the settings section or just show him down below your screen. So click on that. When you click on that, click on where it says notification and sound. When you click on that, guys, I want you to scroll down to the bottom part and click on where it says reset all notifications. So just go ahead and reset it. So when you reset all your notification, guys, as you can see, your in-app sound is on, your in-app vibration is on. So just go ahead and play around with this and set it the way you want it. So as you can see, guys, if you've done this and it's still not working, just go ahead and open your settings. As you can see, I have not turned my notification on my settings, so I have to do that. So go ahead and open your settings. If you're using an Android, just follow the same step, guys. So when you click on your settings, I want you to look for the Telegram app on your settings. So click on that. When you click on that, you're going to be seeing where it says notification, guys. As you can see, my notification is turned off, so just go ahead and turn it on. When you turn it on, go ahead and select the sound you want for it to use. When you turn off the notification, guys, sound, as you can see, guys, everything is turned on here. So just go ahead and click on where it says Telegram notification settings. When you do that, guys, you are back to your Telegram. So you can go ahead and set the notification sound you want. So click on private chat, click on sound, and you can choose it. So just go ahead and click on sound. As you can see, I'm using this for my sound, so it's going to work for that. Go ahead and set that for the group, for the channel, and for the stories. So this is how you can fix your Telegram notification settings. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next